Welcome back to MS Tech. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a gaming headset which resembles the HyperX Cloud Alpha Pros very much so. The best way to say it is, let's say you ever wanted that pair of headphones, but your mom says, we have HyperX at home. The best way to say it is, the Mpow Air SEs are those HyperX at home. One of the main differences between this and the HyperX is the price. This is only $27, whereas the HyperX is a little over $100. So let's take a look and see if for $27, this will do the job just right. Starting off with the unboxing, it honestly wasn't anything special. Inside the box, you have the headset itself, of course, a detachable microphone, an audio splitter, as well as your manual and your warranty. Now, my first impressions of these headphones was that they look very similar to the HyperX. If I didn't know what the HyperX looked like, I would assume that these were HyperX if they didn't have Mpow logos everywhere on them. But that aside, upon picking them up, I have to say I was pleasantly surprised about the cushioning on the headset. That was one thing, probably one of my favorite things about these headphones is how comfortable it is. And right off the bat, without even having put it on my head, I was able to tell that this thing's gonna do well. Another thing that I saw was that part of the frame was metal, brushed with a red finish, which felt pretty darn premium if you do ask me, which was another thing I was pleasantly surprised with. Now moving on to the design of the headset. As you can see, it looks very nice. The design is something which surprised me a lot because it resembles the HyperX so much. But what you can see from the top is that there's red stitching as well as the Mpow logo right there. If we move down the headset, we see that we also have the Mpow logos on each side of the ear cups. Another thing that we can see is that there's a non-detachable wire, which I guess it's good for the sense that you don't lose the wire, but personally I would like to have a detachable wire because it's just declutters the space when you're not using the headset. And then if we move down the wire, we have the inline controls where you're able to mute yourself as well as control the volume of the headset. Now moving on to the different materials on this headset. The ear cups themselves, they're made out of plastic, and then the cushion for the ear cups as well as the headband is made out of what Mpow calls a soft memory protein cushion. What that is, I have absolutely no idea, but I will say that it feels very nice and is very, very comfortable. And then the adjustable slider of the headset is also made out of aluminum. Now some cool features about this headset, which in my opinion I thought was the coolest, was the detachable mic. I really like the aspect of that for $27, and it's not like a big bulky mic, it's a very small mic that has a small footprint, which is really nice. Aside from the mic, another feature that you're getting with this headset is the aspect of surround sound. Now I tested it while playing some video games, and I will say that it did help me in hearing when my enemies are behind me or when they're moving around. So that part of it, I give kudos to Mpow. Now I've talked about the mic for a good amount of time now. Let's put it to the test. So here's a quick mic test. It is not the best, as you will tell, but it of course does the job. So right now at the moment, I'm talking through the microphone on the Mpow Air SE. It isn't anything special. One thing that I will say is that, for my opinion, it does sound a bit muffled and silenced, which I guess isn't the greatest, but then again, it is a mic, does the job perfectly fine. Now when it came to sound quality with this headset, they are very nice to listen to. I listened to just casual music as well as played games, and the audio quality was very nice. The best way to describe it is that the audio's fun to listen to. Myself, someone who loves bass, I will say these things do pack a punch. They definitely have bass and the sound is very clear. So on the sound quality aspect of it, I give Mpow kudos as well. Now when it came to my experiences with these headphones, I really enjoyed listening to them. They are very, very comfortable, and that has to probably be my favorite thing about them. I've had them on my head for around 4 to 5 hours at a time during the day, and they honestly felt very nice. The headband, the memory foam right there, it's something else. For $27, it's beautiful. But the one thing that I will say is after 4 to 5 hours of using it, my ears did start to heat up a bit, which is something that I guess is expected after using it for such a long time, but I guess that part of it might be a drawback. Now, TechBarn's cameraman also tried using this headset, and he was pleasantly surprised. After 4 to 5 hours of editing and constantly using this, he realized that his ears did heat up a little bit, but he appreciated the fact that he wears glasses and these were completely glasses friendly. Now, if I had the chance to sit down with Mpow and talk to them about what they can improve about this headset, I would say that personally, I would like to see a detachable wire, just in case, to declutter the desk, because the wire is pretty long and I wish that it wasn't always there. Another thing that I would bring up is probably to have a bit more articulation, because personally, I thought it was lacking with this headset. Overall, I would say that for $27, this is a very solid pickup. Not only are you getting good sound quality, but you're also getting that premium look and feel. They're very comfortable and you can wear them on your head for around 4 hours before your ears start to heat up. Personally, I would say that for $27, these are underpriced. Now, if I was Mpow, I personally may even charge a bit more for this headset because I truly believe that you're getting more than what you're paying for. Now, if you want to pick up this headset for yourself, the link to that is in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you stuck around till the end, a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. This has been MS Tech, and as always, stay classy.